Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can display a welcome message on your channel on Discord. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open any browser on your PC and search for Me6. After search for Me6, you can see that this is the Discord bot. Go ahead and tap on Me6 and click on Add to Discord. After that, you must log into your Discord channel now. You can see that you have already logged in, so go ahead and click authorize. So now you can see your servers over here. Go ahead and click on setup on one of these servers. After that, it will ask you the authorization once again, so select the server over here and click on continue. Then scroll a bit down over here and click authorize once again. Click on I am a human. Wait for a while. And then it will verify that you are a human, and then it will give you the permission and the authorization. So as you can see that Me6 is currently working and the authorization process is now complete. What you need to do now is select the option over here in welcome. So you can go ahead and see the plugins over here as well. You should go to server management and you can see welcomes and goodbyes. Go ahead and click on enable, which is over here. Click on activate welcome and goodbye. After you do so, you can see that this server will welcome the people who have entered newly. So you can welcome members with AI characters images. So you can see this is new over here. You can go through this, you can click get started, and you can upgrade the MeEye unlimited version, or else you can see send a message when a user joins the server. So you can enable this. After you enable this, you must select your server. So this is inside this channel over here. Go ahead and select the server over here, and you can give the messages like embedded messages, or you can just give the text messages. So you can see the basic message over here. So we can do like this. We can write something nice. So we can write something like this, and you can also click on send a welcome card when your user joins the server. So you can enable this as well. So this is the premium version. Make sure you have paid for the premium one, or else you can just click on save. So you can do this, and this can be done quite easily. So you can welcome the goodbyes also. So you can see that you can enable this anytime. You can also use the embedded one over here, or else you can just use this one. This is the basic one, and after you're done, go ahead and click save, and then the welcome will be given. So guys, this is how you send a welcome message on Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.